Hello all, welcome you all to my YouTube channel GK Study with Akanksha. In today's video, we will be discussing 15 questions related to GK for all the competitive examination. Question number 1. Winter storm Isra recently hit which country? Correct answer is B. United States. Question 2. Which public sector telecom company rolled out nationwide voice over Wi-Fi services in India in January 2026? Correct answer is B. Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. Question 3. Desert Cyclone 2 is a joint military exercise between India and which country? Correct answer is A. United Arab Emirates. Question 4. Which district in Uttar Pradesh is home to Purvanchal First Yarn Processing Plant? Correct answer is C. Mirzapur. Question 5. Which city in Odisha has been upgraded from a municipality to a municipal corporation in January 2026? Correct answer is B. Puri. Question 6. Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana is implemented under which substream of Mission Shakti? Correct answer is B. Samarth. Question 7. Which city is the venue of 44th Junior National Kho-Kho Championship? Correct answer is A. Bangalore. Question 8. The Albert Ika Brigade, which recently celebrated its 56th Rising Day, fought from which sector during the 1971 war? Correct answer is D. Tripura. Question 9. Sagarmala Finance Corporation Limited is India's first non-banking financial company focused on which sector? Correct answer is C. Maritime sector. Question 10. Jallikattu is a traditional bull taming sport primarily celebrated in which state? Correct answer is D. Tamil Nadu. Question 11. What is the IUCN conservation status of Chinese pangolin that was recently seen in news? Correct answer is A. Critically endangered. Question 12. Which institute emerged as the only public sector hospital in India to perform 500 kidney transplants in a single year? Correct answer is B. Institute of Kidney Diseases and Research Center, Ahmedabad. Question 13. Mamadi Doumbouya has been elected as the president of which country? Correct answer is B. Guinea. Question 14. The Ayyanur Ammanur festival is mainly associated with which tribal community? Correct answer is B. Kota. Question 15. Orishnik is an intermediate range hypersonic ballistic missile developed by which country? Correct answer is D. Russia. Thank you and I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe to my channel.